What if I told you buying a house isn't always smarter than renting? In fact, some renters become millionaires while many homeowners stay broke. Let's do the real math. Meet Jake. Jake has $50,000 saved. He can either buy a house or rent one. Everyone tells him buying is always better. But is it really? Option 1. Jake buys a $500,000 home. He puts down $50,000, then takes a huge mortgage. Sounds responsible until the hidden costs arrive. Every month, mortgage payment, property taxes, home insurance, maintenance, repairs, loyer, and interest. Owning a house costs much more than just the mortgage. Now let's compare. Jake rents a similar home. His rent is lower than the total ownership cost. Instead of spending every extra dollar, he invests the difference every single month. Assume Jake invests $800 every month. His investments earn around 10% annually. After 30 years, his investment account could grow to over $1.8 million. That's the power of compound interest. Meanwhile, the homeowner builds equity. That's great, but home prices don't always rise quickly, and unexpected repairs can cost thousands. Roofs, HVAC, plumbing, these expenses are easy to ignore. Here's the truth. Buying wins if you stay in one place for many years, buy at the right price, and can comfortably afford every hidden expense. Renting wins if it lets you invest more, stay flexible, or avoid buying in an overpriced market. The smartest people don't ask, should I buy or rent? They ask, which choice grows my net worth faster? That's the real math. Don't follow financial myths. Follow the numbers. Because wealth isn't built by owning a house. It's built by making smart financial decisions. I hope this video helpful for you. Take care.